you guys are having a great day.
And now it's summertime.
Oh yeah.
So I was going through the recipe book and I saw all these delicious looking drinks.
Very appealing, especially when you live in Arizona, and tomorrow it's going to be 109.
Yeah, it's been pretty hot here lately.
No big deal.
So these drinks, we're going to do 3 of them. We're going to do the basil, mint, sparkling lemonade. We're going to do that as a lime juice too. We're also going to do the citrus soda and the pomegranate spitzer. Okay, so do you want to start do the lemon juice?
Yeah, I'm going to do the lemon juice of 1 lemon.
1 lemon. We have some basil and mint. How many does it need?
2 to 3 basil leaves and 2 to 3 mint leaves.
So what do you think? 2.5?
Yeah. Well, those are pretty big, actually.
So yeah, these are pretty big leaves.
Yeah, I'd just do 2.
So we're going to do 2 of those.
Ooh, that's fragrant.
Have some mint. And it said 2 to 3?
Yes.
Okay, so there's 1. There's 2. And
maybe get a little baby one from like this very center. 3.
Okay, so I'm actually going to do 2 drinks because we're going to do 1 is lime and 1 is lemon. So Jen is making the lemon now and she'll squeeze. It doesn't say how many limes, so we figure 2 limes are about the same size as 1 lemon. So next it says we need to muddle a lemon slice into there. And do you think we should do a lime slice?
Probably.
Okay, so now it says the muddle. Now, did you know what muddle meant before I told you?
No.
I had to look it up because we don't do a lot of drinks like this, and some of you are going, how do you not even have a muddler? Well, apparently, I see those commercials on TV where they're making like mojitos and stuff, and the guy's like taking a little thing and like twisting it in there, twist. That's muddling. And apparently there's an art and a science to it. The key is not to crush the leaves into little bits. You just want to make them fragrant like it says. So we don't have a muddler, so I'm going to use the back end of a knife. A lot of people have like a rolling pin, a small rolling pin that will fit inside of a cup, and they use the end of the rolling pin. So you're supposed to just kind of push and twist according to YouTube videos I saw until it gets fragrant. So let's see if it's fragrant. Smell?
Oh yeah, fragrant. Woo!
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Oh, so the stevia we got for this one is vanilla. So this is something we didn't have, so I had to buy this. Never tried it before.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And then you can add your lemon juice to your lemon one. Remember this one, yeah.
I don't know what I'd do if I didn't have you to keep me on my toes.
You would put that in the limes.
I would have. I would have. Then it would have been big trouble.
And then we need to add the sparkling water. So we have some of this. And it says like basically 1.5 cups, which is essentially like filling this up. So we're gonna fill that up. And then it says to whisk it with a fork. So that's the juice from 2 limes.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're gonna fill this up. All right, which one are you gonna try first?
I'll go with the green, so I guess that means lime. That's very tart.
Very tart?
It kind of has the aftertaste of mint though, and mint is what I'm smelling. When I first now I can taste a little bit of the vanilla from the stevia.
Try the lemon.
Okay. It's pretty tart.
Well, let's just get your opinion on, are these refreshing drinks you would sit out and sip by the pool?
Probably not.
Okay. All don't know. Which one's that one? Yellow one?
Yellow?
Lemon? I mean my yellow limes. I don't know, that lemon was pretty good. I didn't think it was super tart.
Joshua, you're next.
I didn't think the lime was tart either.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Let's put it this way. It's not as good as like a sweet, sugary lime or lemonade. But I could totally... I want to finish this right now.
Then do it.
It reminds me of the club soda that I had. It just tastes horrible.
Okay.
Well, don't sugarcoat it, Tasha.
No, we need to sugarcoat it because it tastes so bad.
Try that one.
Oh yeah, terrible aftertaste too. I'm sorry. This one's a little bit more tolerable, but
And that's
would
the lemon?
The lemon.
not. I would not drink these again.
I agree. The lemon's a little more tolerable.
Well, there you have it. So 2 thumbs down, 1 thumbs up. All right, on to the citrus soda. All right, what do we gotta do for this one?
We have got to get the juice of a half a lemon and 1 lime. So I'm gonna go ahead and start juicing those now. The zest of a half of an orange, actually.
All right, do you want me to start zesting it?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, so I got half of an orange zested. We have the lemon and lime juice ready to go. And now 4 to 5 mint leaves.
I'll count that as 1. 3.
That's 1 leaf.
Well, it's so tiny.
Oh, I see.
Should we do 4?
Okay.
We need the stevia. 4 to 5. I'm gonna go 5. This smells really, really good. I like it better than I did the first, but it's still...
It's not orange crush.
It's not orange crush. Dang it. It's better than the other ones. Not my favorite.
It does, it actually kind of smells like orange crush.
I know it does, huh?
So I can see where you'd be disappointed if it didn't taste like it. It almost tastes like watered down Tang to me.
Oh, Tang. Woo!
Tang. So,
That's something I haven't drank in years.
yeah. So that one, and this one, we don't have this super cold. I think if it was colder, it would even be more refreshing. So this one doesn't have that bitter sort of tartness that the other ones did.
No, if I had to choose one to make out of the 3, it would definitely be the citrus soda.
Yeah,
Tasha?
so thumbs up for me on the citrus soda. Jen is like, if I had to, I would drink it.
It's like it gets worse like the longer it's in your mouth. It was like okay at first, then it was like no.
And in case you haven't watched any of our other videos, this is the first one you're watching, you don't know that our lovely daughter happens to be addicted to sugar.
Yeah.
So this is a pretty good stretch for her. But we always like to have her or other people who don't do the diet like as a test to see if like you were
for
gonna...
normal people, just trying this out for the
Normal
first
people.
time.
Yeah, so if you were gonna like make this drink and like serve it to guests, that may be their reaction. All right, now we're moving on to the
Pomegranate lime spritzer.
So on this pomegranate stuff, it says to buy pomegranate molasses. I could not find pomegranate molasses, so I found this stuff, which doesn't even say syrup, it just says concentrate. But it is 100% pomegranate juice. And in case you have a hard time finding pomegranate molasses or syrup, they're all the same thing. It's just pomegranate juice reduced down, and this stuff just may be slightly runnier because it wasn't reduced down as much as molasses would be.
So I've got half of the lime.
Half of a lime.
I'm gonna put that in first.
And this one's like the simplest
Yes,
ingredient.
very straightforward. 1.5 teaspoons of the molasses, the pomegranate.
So you can see it's thick, but not runny like not thick like molasses. So we may want to put a titch more in, but we'll just try it like that for now. Do you need more pomegranate juice?
Probably.
Did that help, more pomegranate
Yeah,
juice?
and I think that if it was cold, this would actually probably be my favorite.
Yeah, it's definitely the mildest of the drinks for sure.
Mm-hmm.
So does this one get a half a thumbs up?
Yeah, yeah, pretty close to a full thumbs up.
No, it doesn't really taste like anything. Like it kind of just
Very
tastes
mild taste, right?
like no taste.
Yeah, it's just a hint. So I think just to make sure that we've tested this correctly, I'm gonna put a little bit more pomegranate juice in it. Now, just for the fun of it, I don't think it needs it. I'm gonna put a little bit of stevia in just to see what happens. Yeah, I mean, that definitely made it sweeter. That is probably, of the 3 drinks, the most likely one that someone not eating a healthy diet would drink it and go, yeah, not bad. So I'm actually gonna finish this one off. Okay, everyone, thanks for tuning in to watch our little video on drinks.
Yeah, it was really fun, and with summer coming and parties, these are great ideas that you can share with your family and friends. Thank you so much for tuning in.